Welcome to another video in our 6-video series on making money through investing in the stock market without going through the old and weary processes. Through our program, the Millionaire Value Investor, we just want to stop for a moment and thank everyone who watched these 6 videos. And we've received so many responses in the form of Instagram DMs and emails from people throughout the globe, and the early bird waitlist has formed way bigger than we were expecting. Right now, there are more people on the early bird waitlist than we can accommodate in our program. We've also received hundreds of questions regarding our program, the Millionaire Value Investor, and instead of replying to every question one by one, we thought it would be a pretty good idea to make a video that will be addressing all of the questions and curiosities of our customers and viewers. So if you've sent us a message and we've failed to get back to you guys, we completely apologize because our Instagram DMs and emails are full of questions regarding our program, the Millionaire Value Investor. Before we start answering your questions, we just want to give a recap on what we've discussed so far in our 6-video series. If you've watched the last 5 videos, you pretty much know that the traditional practices and approaches to stock market investing are not the ideal processes to make money through stock market investing. And you also know how you can define your circle of competence or select a niche with which you're familiar or understand to a certain degree. We've also shown you the complete passive income blueprint and discussed how you can recognize a moat company and how you can buy a company below its intrinsic value. Furthermore, we discussed a case study about Charlie Munger's investment, which made him more than $400 million, and how he demonstrated a perfect picture of patience by swinging his bat at the right time. With that being said, we're very happy to announce that the registration for our program, the Millionaire Investor, is going to be opening in the next few days, and we're going to be taking a handful of new students and teaching them how to make money through investing successfully in the stock market step by step. You guys can watch over our shoulder as we take you guys through every aspect and detail of the course. The interesting thing is that this isn't going to be an abstract theory, but an actual guide that will help you to start your career in the stock market. Now, as promised, we're going to be answering a few questions that we've got regarding our program, the Millionaire Investor. To begin with, one question that we've been getting a lot is whether this program will be suitable for beginners. Or what if we're starting from scratch and we know nothing about the stock market? The answer to this question is that the program is completely beginner friendly and you don't need to have any prior experience before enrolling in the course. But don't worry, because you'll be getting all the advanced tactics as well. Since we are going to deconstruct lots of old traditional ways regarding stock market investing, this program is perfect for beginners, for investors that have a portfolio, and for advanced investors. The next question is, if everybody does this, will it still work out? It won't get saturated because there are more than significant profits being made every year in the stock market, and we believe that these profits are way more than enough to go around for everyone. And to add to that, we're only doing this for a handful of people, so the percentage of investors who know our unique methodology and the formula is very small. However, there may be a certain increase in the competition in the market, which means that your strategies and correct usage of our method will be tested. Most people indeed believe that there has been a significant increase in the number of investors in the stock market, but what they fail to recognize is that the money the stock market is generating for its value investors is also increasing quite rapidly. But keep in mind that the stock market is worth trillions of dollars, while some companies are valued on billions of dollars and have lots of liquidity. So unless you have and our students each have at least 8 digits to invest, there's no need to worry about saturation. The next question is, does this work worldwide? Yes, our approach can work anywhere in the world as far as you're sticking with your circle of competence. And thinking of our international students, we decided to include the bonus of international investing and portfolio blueprint so you can invest from anywhere in the world, or you want to invest in international companies and have a portfolio with a global presence. The next question is, I know I can make money in the stock market, but I'm afraid it's going to take a long time for me to start getting those returns. Now for this question, it is important to remember the snowball effect. The longer the snowball rolls, the larger are going to be your profits. The key aspect to be noted is that the compound effect is going to take its time. But once it starts showing its colors, the tables will start to turn in your favor. Most people don't achieve their dream lives because they give up at the beginning, when the first snowflakes are coming together to form the snowball. The next question is, will the tactics taught by the Millionaire Investor help me invest successfully in the stock market and increase my profits? Will it help me grow my portfolio? The tactics we're going to teach our students are going to change their perspective on the stock market. We're going to let you guys see through how we choose to make money in the stock market. We will also share how you can create the best combination of stocks, bonds, and cash, and how this can reduce the risk of losing money while seizing the opportunities shown by volatility. We're going to guide you in building your portfolio in the best possible way. The interesting thing is that the course is not going to be a demonstration of abstract theory, but it's going to help our students with examples and practical approaches that are already working for other people. One of the plus points of getting yourself enrolled in this program is that we're going to give you guys a lot of bonuses, which also include the complete stock analysis spreadsheet, as well as the list of best online brokers, so you can start with the right foot or reshape your holdings the correct way and scale your returns. The next question is, I want to learn about stock market investing, but I'm also working on my daytime job. So will it be feasible for me to invest my time in it? Will it be worth it? This is designed for people just like you. If you want your money to work for you, then this course is just for you. And the plus point is that this is an 8-week program, but for some people, it is going to be a 1-week program, so you will have time to go through it super quickly. But for other people, this is going to be an 8-week program, so you can go through it pretty much every day. Our goal for this program is for you to go through this course in your free time and discover exactly how you can achieve your financial freedom by your own pace. The next question we have at our disposal is, I'm in the middle of another course right now, so what should I do? So first of all, it is awesome to hear that you're investing in yourself, and as much as we hate shiny objects that we're switching from one thing to another, and we end up focusing on neither one of them, we have to be honest with you. We truly believe that investing in stocks is probably the best method to achieve your financial freedom, and this is after looking at tons of different business models and trying to discover the business with the highest profit margins. So we believe that the stock market is the best way to make your money work for you by earning passive income. The next question being asked is, will you answer all of my questions once I join? The answer to this question is yes. We're going to answer all the questions which our students are going to have in their minds. We know that there are a lot of students out there who've already tried many courses, but once they join these courses, there is nothing at the end. That is the reason we want our course to be different, and it will provide value to our students. So we're going to be there every single day to answer all the questions that our students will have in their minds. In our program, the Millionaire Value Investor, we're not just going to talk about stock market investing, but we'll take our students through the step-by-step procedure about how they can achieve high returns from their investment. Our students are also going to get a bonus list of everything that you need to pull this off, along with a lot of other amazing bonuses. This is just a small sneak peek into what's going to be included. So to summarize, you guys are going to get the course with all the valuable steps, along with tons of bonuses and some other bonus courses which we've added to help you out along the way. We hope this answers to all your questions. As much as we want to work with you, we simply cannot accommodate too many students in our online classes, so we prefer to keep a small number of students in our private community group so that we deliver our ideas in the best possible way. So please understand that the spots will be granted based on first come, first serve, and if you want to be a part of it, you need to act immediately once the registrations are open. Here's what you can do to increase your chances of getting your name in the course. You need to sign up for the early bird waitlist, which will increase your chances of you being selected. We'll be sending an email to everyone who registered for the early bird with a special early registration link so that they can register fast. One reason we've created the early bird waitlist is that you can get access before other people can, but to secure your spot, you need to act immediately once you get the early bird registration email. In case you're not able to get your name on the early bird waitlist, you might still be able to get your name on the list. Here's how you can get in. Keep an eye on our channel to see any updates. As soon as you see the doors to our program, the Millionaire Value Investor, are open, click the link which is going to take you to the registration page and secure your spot immediately. There is likely going to be a rush of students trying to get their name on the list, but if you will act decisively, you will be able to get yourself registered. We hope you're enjoying this 6-video series. With that being said, we cannot wait to start working with you guys on investing in the stock market. So turn on the notifications and stay on the lookout so that you don't miss anything.